Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful flower band and beautiful ideas. Flower band, a flower hairband. For girls and women's idea style. And lovely, typically, and beautiful features, articles, and real flower attached to headbands and hairpiece. Beautiful. It's often worn as a decorative element. Is hairstyle for beautiful latest event function styling such as weddings and festival, as simply to add a touch of natural and beautiful style inspired beauty to your look. Is there something specific you like to know and discuss about flower hairbands? Flower hairbands coming up with variety of design to suit different style and performance. So I hope you like it, this latest beautiful video, like beautiful different pearls and artificial flower, like a silk fabric, stuffed flower, and a work look, and beautiful crown looks, like a white bright fairy look style for a hairband. So I hope you like it. So guys,